Did you know that there is a way to make money online without actually selling anything? Yes, there is. You can make money online whenever people click on your link. That sounds absurd, right? But it isn't, and I'm gonna show you how to do just that using this website called Adsterra.com. So you want to make sure that you follow this simple strategy to start making money online. Adsterra link. Firstly, you want to come to this particular platform called the trends.google.com to actually find out what is trending online right now. If you come onto this website and go to the Explore section, you can see right here that there are actually a lot of topics that are on the rise right now. You can observe right here this is the AFC Asian Cup, which is a football competition. This is also the Australian Open tennis competition, and this is the African Cup of Nations, which is also a football competition. You can see that other things are also trending. Everything you're seeing right now is what is trending at the time of creating this video, which must surely be different from what is trending at the time you are watching this video. Stuff like AFCON right here, Australian Cup, and this are actually the same stuff. You can leverage such trending topics to drive traffic to your Adsterra direct link and make money online by the amount of click you get. You want to first of all head on to Adsterra.com, click on sign up and get an account created. You can either sign up as an advertiser, for you to start promoting your brand or offers. You can sign up as a publisher to monetize your website or other traffic, and you could go on to signing up as affiliate to gain access to profitable CPA offers. You want to make sure that you sign up as a publisher right now. If you do sign up as a publisher and log into your account, you want to come on to this section that says direct link. As you can actually see right here, I have some inactive direct links which I'm going to reactivate right now. As you can see, I've actually reactivated these direct links right here. If you don't have one, you can just click on create direct link, and you want to select this non-adult option to remove the erotic ads. You can then click on add to create a direct link. But right now guys, I'm just going to copy my direct link. Once I do start getting clicks to this direct link from any demographic, I'm going to earn some cool cash. What you want to do right now is to head on to this platform right here called Linktree to create a simple landing page. Right now, you can sign up to the platform and also create a landing page for free. After signing up, you want to come to this section and you want to click on ADD link. Paste in your Adsterra link right here and click on enter and your link will be added right there. So since we want to utilize a very cool strategy right here, you're going to use the Australian Open or the AFCON, which is the African Cup of Nations, to drive traffic to our Linktree. So what I'm going to do is get a very cool platform where people can watch these tournaments or these sporting competitions for free, so that I can actually use that as a form of leverage to drive traffic to my landing page right there. So I'm going to head on to this platform right here called Score 808. This is a platform that individuals can watch some live games like the African Cup of Nations matches for free. You can scroll down right here to see that there are lots and lots of matches available on the platform to watch today. If I keep on scrolling, I'll be able to see the African Cup of Nations match right here between Nigeria and Ivory Coast. This is actually the final match of the tournament and a lot of people will be interested in watching this. All you need to do right now is to just simply select that match, and copy the link to the resulting page, head back to Linktree and add that as a new link. Next, you'll want to change the title to the link to something like Live Nigeria vs. Four Coast African Cup of Nations. I can copy that exact same title and use it for my Adsterra direct link. I'm going to add something like Server 1 to the title of the first link and Server 2 to the title of the second link. I'm going to move the one having my Adsterra direct link upward. Once people start clicking on my Linktree link, they are going to be shown something similar to this, of which they can click on this first server first, which is going to take them to my Adsterra direct link and I'm going to earn some money. After which, they'll come back and click on the second link since server 1 didn't work, and that will take them to Score 808 where they can watch their match for free. Next, click on share and then copy your Linktree link by clicking on copy. To promote this link right now, we can make use of platforms like Facebook and any other social media platform. If you intend on using Facebook, come right here and search for AFCON. This is the search results, which are a lot of groups that you can join. This group says AFCON 2024. If I do click on this one right now, I can then promote my link right here. All I need to do right now is to simply write a post, and you want to draft out a very cool and captivating post right here for this. Simply write something like, "Are you interested in watching the AFCON final between Nigeria and Ivory Coast?" Simply utilize the link below to stream that online. Paste that particular link and make the post that. You can then start getting some traffic to that link right there. You can also post on as many other groups on this same niche to get more traffic. This going to be a very cool strategy that you can use right now to make money online. I hope you take advantage of right now, and if the video was helpful to you, why not hit the like button to the video, subscribe to my channel and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted about more cool and amazing strategies to make money online whenever I do release such strategies. Don't miss out on this opportunity right now. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.